Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to find out everything about your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your startup menu. Then go ahead and click on settings right here. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on system. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue until you get to about. Go ahead and click on about. Then here you go. You have system about sections right here. From storage to graphics card, then to gig RAM, to the processor. Then scroll down right here and check on more detail about your Windows PC. If you scroll down below right here, you have your Windows specification right here. So click on here to pull up, there you have the Windows specification version. So at the time of making this video, the Windows version I have here is Windows 11 Pro 24H2, which was installed in this particular date with bit number and everything. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.